Okay, this is the riki200 version 3 Ultimaker style gantry with pulleys on the thing. We're currently doing the XYZ calibration cube. It's using clear thing, but the reason why I'm doing this is because it's a 350mm travel speed, 300mm infill speed, and a 200mm outer thing. It's just about to go into, I think it's doing bottom layer still. Let's just put the light on. When it goes into that 300mm speed, you'll know about it. There we go. That's not messing about. I'm holding this thing down because it's literally shaking the table and the thing. It's a 2.5 second layer height, so it doesn't do any cooling. I'm deliberately pushing it this hard because I want to see what happens on the bits that, with the X and the Y. It's not making that much ridiculous noise. I've also set the X and Y minimum jerk speed for 1000mm a minute to get them out of the way, because some experimentation I've been doing here have discovered that it actually interferes and you get blobbing at the corners if it tries to slow down in the corners. So we're getting a bit of stranding in that. Strands are breaking a little bit. 350mm a second, what do you expect? 0.2mm layer height with a 4.4mm nozzle. But good God, it's not hanging about. It's not making a heck of a lot of noise either. Most of the noise that you can hear right now will be from the fan, from those two 40mm fans, which are for the cooling thing. I'm looking to do some better cooling on here, because just looking at this, I apologise, the camera's really not very good. I really must get a better camera at some point. Set one up. The microphone's broken on my other one. I can see that the corner is not really cooling down properly on the layers, so we're getting a bit of distortion there. I'm setting up, I'm planning an alternative cooling system so we can get monster 120mm fans with ducts. I'll hang them up from here, going down with tubes onto the twin places. You can see the holes there, and just force a lot of air down through it. And then 120mm, twin 120mm fans. I mean, it's just fun. So then I'll be able to just use PWM control to ramp the speed down on those. And if you really want to do this kind of insane speed, you can. Let me see if we can get underneath there a little bit. Good God. Just because of the pulley system, yes, 350mm a second, but because it's double to the pulley system, it's actually doing, the motor's doing 700 on travels, so 400 on the edge, 600 on the infill, and 700 on the travel. Ye gods. Ah, it's all good fun. Acceleration figures I've set, I think, for 4,000 millimeters a second per motor, but because of the pulley system, it's effectively, I think, doubled or maybe quadrupled. Treating the belts as springs, because you've got two of them, you now have two springs in parallel, so they take up the slack. You know, they share the load, half of them. This is why the only reason I'm considering doing these kinds of speeds at all, and switching off the acceleration, etc. Okay, so this cube is half done already. It's only been 5 minutes. Okay, the X is starting to. It's taking shape. Yeah, there is a little bit of distortion on the corners. Just from the fact that it doesn't give it really time to cool down properly. I really need that fat extra forced air cooling. And those two little 25mm fans are just not really enough. Not for this anyway. So, just to show you the twin belts there. So they're interleaved, one between the other. Put the camera in like that. Yeah. So you've got the look at the speed of that. The rods there. One rod there and one rod there, but they're upside down relative to each other, which has allowed them to be fitted in. Yay, God. Alright, so the it's only a 0.4 minutes in, also on a volcano. The thing, I really should try the 0.6 and the 1.2 and stuff and see how fast you can push this. Sadly, the limit is actually going to be the NEMA 17s, the maximum travel speed of the NEMA 17s. I think they can do something like 20,000 RPM? No, I can't exactly remember what the maximum speed is, but I've taken out these, which used to be on there, and those were doubling the thing. So this instead of doing 600 millimeters a second, that would have to done 1.2 meters a second. To get this 300 millimeter actual travel speed, infill speed. 8 minutes in, it's almost done. How fast does your printer, 3D printer, do this calibration cube? Hey, God. Okay, so I can actually now see the side. Yeah, as expected. When it's turning 90 degrees, because the filament's not really having time to cool down, it's pulling and it's deformed on the edges a bit, but generally alright. Okay, we're just coming to the last couple of layers. It's filling in the Z on the top now. There we go. Oh my God. Alright, I'll take some close-up photographs of that and publish them on the wiki.
on the forum.